Hello everybody, in this video we're going to be covering the Unit 5 Week 2 vocabulary for the 3rd grade story and wonders for the week. And one of the words in this week's story is conservation. Say that word with me, conservation. Conservation is the care of natural resources. For example, Kara's light bulb saves energy and is a good example of conservation. What is another example of conservation? Okay, write conservation on one side of your card. And for the definition, write protection of natural resources. Another word in this week's selection is discouraged. Say that word with me. Discouraged. When people are discouraged, they are made to feel like giving up. For example, Sean felt discouraged when he and his mom couldn't find his lost football. What would make you feel discouraged? Okay, write discouraged. And for the definition, write not having hope or confidence. Okay, another word in this week's selection is frustration. Say that word with me, frustration. Frustration is a feeling of being upset because you can't do or have something. For example, Diane gasped out of frustration when her computer screen went blank. Tell about a time you showed frustration. Okay, let's write frustration. And for the definition, write feeling angry or upset. Another word in this week's selection is gazed. Say that word with me, gazed. To gaze is to look steadily at something. For example, Tori gazed at the stars through her telescope. When have you gazed at the stars? Okay, write gazed. And for the definition, write looked at something for a long time. Okay, another word in this week's selection is jubilant. Say that word with me, jubilant. To feel jubilant is to feel very happy or joyful. For example, Ryan's team felt jubilant and delighted when they won the contest. What word means almost the same as jubilant? Okay, write jubilant. And for the definition, write very happy. Okay, the next word is recycling. Say that word with me, recycling. Recycling is putting objects or materials through a special process so they can be used again. For example, Sheila is recycling empty containers. What are other things you could be recycling? Okay, write recycling. And for the definition, write using old items again. Okay, the next word in this selection is remaining. Say that word with me, remaining. Something remaining is still in a certain place. For example, these 7 puppies are remaining after we gave 2 away. How many days of school are remaining this week? Okay, right, remaining. And for the definition, write staying behind. So those puppies were staying behind. They were remaining. Okay, the next word is tinkered. Say that word with me, tinkered. Tinkered means made small changes to something. For example, John and his dad tinkered with the bike and got it working again. Think of another word for tinkered. Okay. Right, tinkered. And for the definition, right, made small changes to fix something. Okay. All right, so that was the last word in this week's selection. So until next week, I will see you soon.